It's not about doing a big party. It's not about throwing a big party here and there. It's about thinking about the need. It's about thinking of those people that could not even bear to eat two. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you know today is your first time of coming across this beautiful channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, press the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. For my returning subscriber, you are highly welcome. I appreciate you guys. For you guys. So in today's video, today is June 10. It's literally my birthday. For those of you that are old subscriber, all of you know that June 10 is a day this beautiful princess was born. So June 10 is my birthday, unless you are a new subscriber. So today, Clement Treasure went out to feed 30 people in a Nigeria, Edo State. So birthday is not about doing a big party. It's not about throwing a big party here and there. It's about thinking about the need. It's about thinking of those people that could not even bear to eat two meal in a day. So this is my birthday. I decided not to throw a party, but also to care for the needs, also to care for the homeless, also to care for those people that do not even have source of an income to eat today. So I decided, and with the help of Favor Fresh Cake, she is a decorator. She's a catering. She do a lot of things. She's a marriage planner, decorating department, catering, anything catering stuff she is in. So if you live in Nigeria, precisely Edo State, you are looking for somebody to do a very beautiful cake for you. You're looking for somebody to help to spice your birthday party, your marriage, your burial, any celebration event. So I would recommend for you to book a Favor Fresh Cake. So that is our whole handle name on Instagram. So I will be leaving a phone number and Instagram page down in my description down below. You can go and check her out. She have a very, very beautiful cake and all those stuff. So if you want to also help the need, you want to do something that I will be showing you today that I did, you want to support the need, you want to help the need, you want to feed a group of people, I will also advise you can give her that business. She can really run it for you like the way she run it for me. She is secure and safe to go. Okay, it's not those people that you ask to do something and they went to do something else. I was really impressed with our work. So this video you will be seeing today, I will be showing you how they prepare this delicious jollof rice for people. It's not about maybe because they are all less that people that are hungry, you don't have to prepare a good meal. This meal was heavily prepared like a marriage jollof rice. No skip, nothing. It was soft and sweet and delicious. So they are going to. So watch this video to the end. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Guys, I'm not that rich. I'm still a broke. I'm broke, guys. I'm broke. I'm not rich. But this is, I'm not really financial balanced. But this is my own milestone for me to do. This is the plan that have been on my mind for so long. I'm so happy that I was able to fulfill this plan. I've been planning this for so long. It has been a burden to my heart. I'm so happy that I could do this, and I want you guys to pray for me and to pray that God bless me. The little fact you can do for me after watching this video is for you to subscribe to this channel and for you to share with friends and family. I would love if you want to really support me is for you to watch this video to the end, share with friends and family, and be a part of this YouTube channel. I would really appreciate and love that. So with that note, going forward, let me show you guys this video. So watch this video to the end, enjoy and drop your comment, and also don't forget to wish me happy birthday. Okay, I love your wishes. I know you guys have wished me a lot of happy birthday today. I'm so happy you guys wish me a lot of happy birthday. I will not be posting this video on Friday, the day of my birthday. I will usually be posting it after my birthday. I appreciate each and everyone who wishes me well. So not be too long, just watch the video to the end. I love you guys. Wash, share.
Oh na na na. From G on the beat, oh, welcome to Treasure TV. Wow. Well, let no man tell you that you're beautiful. Oh. You are beautiful, don't even precious. Oh. Nobody wants to give you some love. Nobody wants to tell you that you're beautiful. All you know more treasure got you. You deserve everything nice and beautiful. Your skincare remedies, I will give you. All you know more about your skin. You deserve to be beautiful again. You deserve to grow your skin again. Natural things you will use, natural remedy for you. Oh nah, don't let no man tell you that you're beautiful. Oh. You are beautiful, don't even precious. Oh. Nobody wants to give you some love. Nobody wants to tell you that you're beautiful. Ain't no cry, still zero stress. Don't know it first, still got the best. So many things you don't see, so many places you don't go. Money no more cause you just got the bread. Stay calm, let me give you this up. Search no more cause already got the best. Make up tutorial it did for you. Lifestyle blogging it did for you. I been a vlog and cooking. Oh, everything did for you. Subscribe, subscribe, hey, tell your friends, may they join us, tell your friends, may they join us, so you never hear the gist, so you never get something, hey, remedy for skincare, vlog and food, that is what I give you, treasure got you. Everything nice and juicy. Subscribe and thumbs up. Subscribe and thumbs up. Giving you some good vibe, giving you some nice vibe, giving you some nice vibe, giving you some good vibe. Energy too full. I got you. At the same time, I go love you. I no go back. As we dey go, no go back. Giving you some good vibe, giving you some more vibe, giving you some good vibe, energy full, giving you my good vibe. I still dey watch your work, God dey bless you. Treasure got you. Lifestyle, food and feel skincare we give you. Oh no, everything as we give you, you crazy pandas. Oh no, no, no. Big James Nani. Subscribe. Oh.
Got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight.
I muted this video because the dragging was too much. They couldn't even video it too long because of people were dragging, crying, begging for food. One guy in the land, really. It's really touching. People were just begging, crying for just food. People even take 2 times, and she even complained that they even break her hand because of food, because people were dragging and all that. They could not even film it very clear because the drag. You can see this man with a blue shirt. He usually have food on his hand and she's still begging to take another one. That is the problem of Nigeria. Many people, they want to eat and eat, and others who have not eat. It was so painful. So don't forget to pray for me, guys. Don't forget to pray for me. Pray for me. God bless me. That is my sacrifice so far that I have did for my birthday. Our family, thank you for the supporters, for my family. You guys have been the one that make me do something like this.
No, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna.
So guys, this is the end part. I really appreciate you for watching this video from the starting to the end. I say God bless you. And the only support you can support me is that share this video with friends and family. This is the only support I want you to do. Like this video because it helps YouTube growing them. Don't forget to comment down in the comment section. If you have a community tab, please share this video. I would love you to share this video in your community tab also. So don't forget to stay heading. Pray for me. I really need your prayer. Pray for me. God bless me. And if God actually bless me, I would love to do more. I would love to help people in need, especially those people that have no love, that have no family to be there for them, that have nobody who love them, who cherish them. I would, if I have money, I would do more. I will continue to do more to bless those people that have been crying and put a smile on people's face. So you guys can actually help me to be this and to do more of stuff like this. You know what to do. If you like this video, I don't ask you to donate. I only ask you to share this video with friends and family. Like and share. Subscribe to my channel. I would love to see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to stay healthy, stay positive. All the best. Be nice to one another. I love you, girl.